Yes. We have your one package there. You say I wait for it all long. Eagerly. So I hope to you we're here on time.
Very early.
Very early.
Yeah, man.
Tell me what you think about the service though.
Graceful, because eventually last time, first time we ordered with me still. Well, my girlfriend he come here, it was my son's birthday.
Birthday, right.
Yeah, and eventually she don't leave, and eventually the package just come right in time.
Perfect timing.
Perfect time.
Okay, so we're known for perfect timing.
Yeah.
What do you think about the alerts though? The email alerts, text alerts to make you know say well the package has moved from A to B and you know you're gonna get it today. You like that?
With all them things, for real.
Yeah, alright.
You can check it and everything, you know.
You look like you're shy.
Everything active.
You look like you're shy. You're shy out the thing.
Real thing, you know.
Alright.
Yo, wow, yeah, I wanna grill them.
Watch her. Watch her. Of course. Yeah man, hold it for freeness. Yes. Yes, you can get some. Alright, the party just started. She has come for some of her freeness. So I don't know you have to give her half away in the box. That I forgot go on. Angry thing, brother. And we really appreciate you being a part of the family. So you see like how she wants some of the freeness. The more you do is just put your mailbox number right here. And invite her to be a part of the team.
Yes, man, I'm here, man.
So we're going to invite her right now. We need her to come across to enjoy the benefits of the on-time service that you talk about. Alright? We'll back up the traffic now. Anyway, on the video trail again, another satisfied customer. This is how we do it all day, every day. By the way, you know about the dollar bag promotion?
I know, yeah, I see it on the email about
yeah.
Finish reading.
Okay.
I'll check it out.
Check it out and know exactly what it is. It's about we allowing you to pay only $1 for any package that come to you in an envelope, plastic or paper.
Oh yes, I have to be reading.
But we have to receive it between April 28th and May 3rd. So receive it another time there. You're good. So if you're shopping something for your lady pan Shein, Fashion Nova, or one of them places, Forever 20, or something for yourself at Express.
Really?
Who knows? You know what I mean? It work out perfect.
It's a good look, man.
Alright, good. Pleasure doing business with you.
Yeah, them are the real deal.
Alright, thanks so much. Here you have it. Have a good one.